name is Danielle Gerbic from VisaPlace.com. I'm here today to discuss with you what to expect during your E-2 visa interview that is scheduled at a U.S. consulate across Canada. Many of our clients ask us what to expect, how to prepare, and what would be the possible outcomes of an E-2 visa interview. Well, the first thing you need to be aware of is that there's 2 documents that must be readily available in order to gain access into the consulate. This is your E-2 visa appointment notification notice as well as your DS-160 confirmation page. All applicants are required to attend the consulate 15 to 20 minutes prior to their scheduled interview time. The reason being is that all applicants are required to go through a security clearance. The security clearance at a consulate is very similar to when you travel through an airport. You will be required to place your personal belongings into a tray, which will then be scanned through a security scanner. Once this is complete, you will wait in line with your passport as well as your documents. You will then be escorted into a waiting area where you will await to have your name be called. It is at this step where you will be required to meet with an officer that awaits you on the other side of a glass barrier. You will have your fingerprints taken and you will have to provide this officer with your valid passport. We do recommend that your passport is valid for a period of up to 6 months at the time of your scheduled interview. Following this, you will be required to go through a long hallway and enter into another waiting area. At this stage, you will then be called by an E-2 visa officer who will then review the documents you provide them through a glass barrier. Again, it's very similar when you go to a passport office. You do speak with an individual, an officer in this case, who awaits you behind a glass barrier. Once the officer has your documents and they have reviewed everything that you have provided, they will question you approximately 10 to 15 minutes as to what your intended business is in the United States. After their interview, they will advise you on the spot whether your visa has been approved. If your visa has been approved, they will provide you with a slip and instruct you to go to a different area of the consulate. This area of the consulate, you will be required to pay a reciprocity fee of $40. Once you've paid this fee, you will be notified via email by a Loomis branch that you have selected or that your attorney has selected for you. They will advise you when your passport is ready to be picked up. When you do pick up your passport, please be sure that you provide them with photo identification in order for them to release your documents to you. I hope this information was helpful and that you did enjoy this video. If so, please click like and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please feel free to visit us at www.visaplace.com. Thank you and have a great day.